Hey, this is Corey Knight with Classroom Tech Made Simple, and I'm here to show you the first steps that you should take with Google Classroom. So after you get signed up, you want to make sure that you create your first class. So you click the plus button and then click Create Class. This is where you're going to enter your class name. I usually add my last name and some sort of combination with the period and whichever class it is. You don't have to necessarily add section or subject, but if you want to, feel free to go ahead and do that. Then you simply click Create. So it may take a couple seconds here for the class to get created. Just be patient. It's got to kind of go through a series of checklists to make sure everything's set up correctly. And the first thing that it will do is it'll give you a series of prompts to kind of give you just a rundown on how Google Classroom operates. And we're going to go ahead and check out the settings here in a little bit. So just click Got It if that shows up on yours. All right, so the first thing that I always do is I select a theme specific to the class that I am teaching. Now, I'm a science teacher by training, so I would typically click some sort of theme that is based on some sort of science so that my students can kind of get their minds in the right spot, that they are in the right spot on all of their Google Classrooms, because they're going to have a list of different classes. So that's the first thing that you should do, is select a theme specific to your own class. And you can also upload your own pictures so that you can add these as well. All right, the next thing that you should do is go to the People button at the top. This is the code that you will give to your students when they are joining the class. You can either give them the code or you can invite them by their name and email. This is very important because if you don't do this, then you're not going to be able to share anything out to the students. So make sure that you absolutely share that code out to everyone. Okay, the next thing that we should do here is we should go to the Settings button. Now this is just going to show us the class code. Also in the stream here, it is going to show us and give us the different options, whether students can post and comment, students can only comment, or only teachers can comment. If you need to change the code or reset the code, you can do that from here too. If you want to show deleted items, you can also do that. Now a very important part here is the Guardian summary. And what this is this will send a weekly summary, and this is an example right here that was given, a weekly summary to the parent or guardian of each of the students. But you need to make sure that you click on this setting so that you can use this in the classroom. So you just want to simply click this on and then click Add Class. After you have this clicked on, I just clicked on See Examples here, and then I'm going to go to Manage Guardian Email Summaries. And this is going to show me what it's going to look like. You don't have to do this. I'm just showing you what it will look like. When you invite a guardian, you will go to the People tab, and then you will see the little icon of the picture of the student, and then there will be 3 dots. You just simply click Invite Guardians. And then you will enter their email, and it will send those weekly summaries based on the work that they accomplished throughout the week and the assignments that they turn on from Google Classroom that you assign. This is an important piece because it keeps our students' parents involved and engaged in the whole learning process for the entire family. All right, so those are the beginning steps and the first steps of what you should do with Google Classroom. If you like tips like this, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that they get sent directly to you. This is Corey Knight with Classroom Tech Made Simple. We'll see you next video.